What's up, everybody? We got a beautiful day out here. Got a lot of fun plans today. The main thing is going to be that we're going to be building a track here in the backyard. I'm going to kind of walk you through the track that I'm thinking. Nothing's going to be permanent yet. I'm just going to kind of set up a quick little track, do some laps, see if I can get my time a little bit faster each time that I drive around. A few videos ago, I set up a jump in the backyard, so I'm going to be incorporating that into the track. And then in the future, if I want to change some stuff around, I've always got that option. So right here we'll start, come along here. This will kind of be a back straightaway through this tight little section here, around the corner. I'm thinking that the jump will probably be right here. So you come around this corner, get some air over the jump here. And then you come along back here, past the fire pit. There's a log right here. Kind of use that as a berm a little bit. And then back through this really tight section, and you're just gonna have to do a tight loop right through here. And you're gonna go right back the other way. So this won't be too bad because I'm gonna be the only one driving today, but if we have multiple cars, you'll have cars coming this way and that way. So it could get a little bit interesting. So then you come along here, it's already kind of a dirt path because this is where the dogs like to run. Come around this corner here, hug along the steps, and then there's gonna be a sharp left turn here. So you come along this way, and then an even sharper turn back the other way. Kind of a diagonal straightaway here. And then one more sharp turn. And that brings you right back to the finish line. Now, before we get started with any of that, I'm gonna go over to a BMX pump track that's not too far from here, ride that a little bit, see if it can give me some inspiration for the track here, and then we'll come back here and start building this one. I blew a shock here, so I think it's time to go home, and we might have wrecked the rest of the day. We'll go home, see if we can fix this up. I think it's just came unscrewed, but the oil's leaking out, so I'm gonna go home, see if I can fix that, and then we'll get working on the track back at the house. I got the truck set up here, checking out the damage a little bit that just happened. This shock right here, as you can see, is just completely loose, so that's why the body of the truck was just sitting, basically, and it just kind of blew off from this cap right here. So here's the good one. It's still all attached together, but it doesn't look like anything actually broke. All the threads look good and everything. So what I'm actually gonna do is take the top of the shock off. That gives us these pieces here. So I should be able to now, as you can see, put the diaphragm back on and screw the cap back on. That feels like it's on there pretty tight. Use this to make sure. Everything seems to be looking okay up here at the top. So I'm gonna screw it back on and I think we'll be good to go. So if you have any tips for me or anything about that, I know I should probably put some new oil in there or change the oil. Probably run to the store and pick some of that up when I can, but we're kind of on lockdown here in Michigan still, so I'm not sure if they're even open. But we'll see how it runs today, and then if I need to rebuild the shock again, then we'll do it. So I'm gonna get started on the track here. I got some rope pulled out of the shed there, so I'm gonna start laying out how the track goes with that. So what I'm doing here is just kind of getting the track laid out. So I'm laying these ropes down to kind of just know where the barriers are. I'm gonna see if we can get a finish line down. There we go. Track's all set up, got cameras rolling. I'm gonna bring it over to the starting line. I've got camera right on the starting line, so I should be able to start and stop the time based on that camera. So here we go, lap 1. Well, there you go, little backyard RC track action racing. My first time building a track in the yard. Got the jump, got the turns, got all the different camera angles hopefully, so hopefully that looks good. If you have any suggestions for me, let me know. Nothing's permanently put in, so I can swap things around, add berms, add more jumps. Got a log pile over here, so maybe I was gonna add some logs into it, make it more like an enduro course or something. But yeah, it was a lot of fun, went well. I got to go inside and check my times now and see which lap was the best. I had a few good ones, but a lot of crashes and a lot of going off the course and stuff like that. So I hope you really enjoyed the video and it inspires you to go out and build your own track and get out there and have some fun. See you next time.